Understanding non-negative numbers, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept in mathematics and everyday life: non-negative numbers. Whether you're dealing with finances, measurements, or just curious about numbers, understanding this term is crucial. So, let's break it down together in an easy-to-understand way. Stay tuned as we explore what non-negative numbers are and why they are important. Non-negative numbers are exactly what the term suggests: numbers that are not negative. This includes all positive numbers, big or small, as well as the number 0. It's a broad category that encompasses everything from the smallest fraction greater than 0 to the largest numbers you can imagine. Importantly, it excludes any number that is less than 0, which are known as negative numbers. To help clarify, let's look at some examples. Numbers like 1, 2.5, 100, or 0.001 are all non-negative because they are either positive or 0. The number 0 itself is also non-negative, as it is neither positive nor negative. On the other hand, numbers like -1, -2.5, or -100 are not considered non-negative because they are below 0. Non-negative numbers are important for several reasons. They are used in real-world situations where negative quantities cannot exist, such as counting people, measuring the length or weight of objects, and in financial transactions where you cannot have less than $0 in a cash transaction. They also form the basis of many mathematical concepts and operations, making them a key part of learning and understanding math. Understanding non-negative numbers is essential not just for math, but for navigating various aspects of daily life. They help us quantify, measure, and make sense of the world around us in a positive or neutral way. We hope this video has helped demystify what non-negative numbers are and why they're so important. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonderful world of numbers.